Right, so in this video, I'm still gonna talk about the state transition table, and I'm gonna make one other example with the state transition table for the D flip-flop. So in this case, I'm gonna have, again, the state transition table for the D flip-flop. So again, the state transition table basically says, okay, you are in a certain state, you want to go to this other state. How do you, what input are you going to use? So for the D flip-flop, let's suppose that we have Q. Oh shoot, I really always forget to use red for those letters. So Q is my current state, Q plus is my next state, and then we have D, which is the input of the data. So let's suppose I have 0, I want to stay into 0. I'm in 0 and I want to go to 1. I am in state 1 and I want to go to 0. And I'm in 1 and I want to stay to 1. So what do I do? How do I put D to? So if I want to stay to 0, it's fairly simple. I'm just going to have 0. If I want to go to 1, then I'm going to have 1. If I want to go from 1 to 0, then I'm going to have 0. And if I'm in state 1 and I want to go to 1, then I'm going to set it to, I'm going to have 1 as an input to D. So you see, compared to the RS or the JK, is actually different, and it's very, very easy, because with the D flip-flop, you don't even have to ask yourself where do you want to go. You just blindly follow the output that you want. It doesn't really matter where you are. You just say, okay, I want to go to 0, put 0 in. I want to go to 1, I put 1 in. I want to go to 0 again, I put 0 in. I want to go to 1, I put 1 in. Doesn't really matter where you start from, which is why the D flip-flop is extremely easy to, work with in this case, because of this state transition table. So yeah, it's actually kind of useful. And in the next example, I'm gonna talk about the state transition table for a JK flip-flop. So stay tuned.